there, my name is Dimitri and welcome back to another video on diving into a template that we have here at Softr. So in this video, we're going to show you our contract management template. Contract management is the process of handling contracts from start to finish. It includes creating, signing, and keeping track of agreements. The main aim is to make sure that everyone follows the agreements properly, reducing problems and getting the most out of the deals we make. So this template can be found at softr.io/templates, as well as the rest of our templates. And if you're interested in how it works, make sure to watch the rest of this video. So inside of this template, if I go to preview here, I can take a look and figure out how this entire system works. So you'll notice that there are three different user groups. There are admin, contract manager, and executive. So if I click on the admin view, I'm gonna get the highest level of access and see everything inside of this system. So from the admin view, what I can see here is a fair amount of contracts right here that are grouped into various categories. If I want to filter them, I can press one of these filters, like operation. You'll see that it filters it to the category of operation or legal. And then if I click on here, you'll notice that I actually just downloaded the example contract, which is pretty cool. So it's a very easy download system. And then if I do click on anywhere else that's not the file, essentially I'm gonna see the contract details. I have the ability to click here and download the contract as well. And it showcases the client, category, the status of the contract, the type of contract, what the signing date is, and then the contract start and end date, as well as who reviewed it. Now, I also have the ability to do a few more things. I can click these three dots and assign this contract to me from a reviewing standpoint. I can edit the details inside of this record. So you can see right here, it has all the fields that are essentially reflected in what you see on the page. And I can also press delete, which would get rid of this contract. Now, all those fields, everything contract-wise, you can add a new contract if you're an admin and also add this in here. And the cool thing is from a system standpoint, if I log out of the admin and go to the contract manager, you'll see that the contract manager does have the ability to add contracts, which is awesome, and delete, edit, all that sort of stuff. But who doesn't have the ability is if I go to the executive view, they are not necessarily able to make the edits to it. So they are able to assign it to me. However, they cannot make the edits regarding any of the different adding or editing of these contract informations, or even just adding the contracts in general file-wise. And they can still view this contract timeline, which is cool. From across the board here, they're able to take a look at any of these contracts, click on it, open it to get more info. But once again, they cannot edit or add new contracts within here. And this is essentially their entire view. So the point of this is to have the executives have a bit of a different view where it's just about analyzing and taking a look at all this different information, whereas contract managers and admins kind of have an in-depth system where they can add contracts and whatnot. Now you'll notice one thing, when I was on the admin page, there was an additional page here that is not shown in the contract manager. So if I sign out of this contract manager and go into the admin page, I can then click on this users section. So what does this do? This allows you to interact with users and what groups they are in a much more effective way. So user groups inside of Softr has definitely been something that we've improved. And you'll notice here that this admin level user is the person I am logged into right now. And then there's the other two, which are Jack, who's the contract manager, and Sarah, the executive. So if I wanted to add a new user, if I add them to a specific role here, it's gonna give them those user group settings that really work well, without having to go into the back end like we previously had to. The name right here is something that is obviously very easy to put in, same with email and their avatar. And mattering on what role they get, they're gonna have the exact layout and permissions that I ran you through in this video. So this contract management template is a really great way to essentially take all the different information from your contracts, as well as the contracts themselves, upload it somewhere, and have a divvying up of permissions regarding who can see them, and then who can add and edit the different data records coinciding with the contracts. Especially when it comes to things like approval, that's definitely something you don't want in the hands of everybody, and is why we have things like contract managers in this system. If you like this template and want to see more templates from us at Softr, make sure to check out more content on our channel about how to improve your skills using Softr even more.